Guys, let's make some smothered chicken thighs. So my chicken was cleaned and washed. I'm using boneless chicken. I'm just going to add my seasonings. I have a tablespoon of paprika, garlic seasoning, everything seasoning, and some Cajun, a drizzle of oil. We're going to go ahead and sear our chicken on both sides for around 4 minutes per side. And then we're going to remove them, set them to the side. We're going to go ahead and add half of an onion, half of a yellow bell pepper, and 3 garlic cloves minced. We're going to saute all that together, and then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour gradually while whisking. I'm going to go ahead and add half a cup of chicken stock, followed by 1/4 cup of heavy cream. We're going to go ahead and add a little bit more seasoning to that, add our chicken pieces baste it continuously. It should be looking like this, guys.